Could honestly eat these on repeat every week. 13 high protein chicken enchiladas. Each enchilada is under 400 calories or 45 grams of protein. 13 meals under 50 minutes. Okay, we're getting the timer started. First thing we want to do is we need to get what needs cooking. We start off by turning this pan on. 2 cups of chicken stock. In that chicken stock, we need 150 grams of diced onion, 1 7-ounce can of whole green chilies minced up, and then 3 pounds of chicken. All right, look at that. Half an onion, just about perfect. 7-ounce can of whole green chilies. Okay, we can save the juices and all. Okay, let's get that into the pan. That chicken stock is already starting to come to a simmer. I'm gonna set this bowl aside. There's no need to clean that bowl because we're just gonna put the mixture back into the bowl to shred up the chicken once that's cooked. Now we're gonna take our 3 pounds of chicken breasts and I'm just gonna cut them into strips just so it'll help them cook faster. And this right here was 3.1215 pounds. So by the time I trim off these little bits of fat chunks, it'll be exactly 3 pounds, exactly what we need. This is already simmering, so we're just gonna get our chicken in here. Whoops, pretend you didn't see that. We can cover this up and let it simmer until the chicken is fully cooked. Take this time to clean up. We're done with the cutting board already. 7 minutes in. While the chicken's cooking, we can get everything else together. We got our tomato sauce. We're gonna open that bad boy up. 16 ounces plain tomato sauce. 2 enchilada sauce packets. 13 carb-friendly tortillas, 70 calories each. Get 13 of these out, ready to go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
We use 1 pound of shredded light Monterey Colby Jack cheese and half a pound, 8 ounces of 50% light cheese. Okay, 70 calories per ounce. This is 90 calories per ounce. Normal cheese is about 100, 110 calories per ounce. So if you want macros as close to what the recipe provides as possible, 1 pound light cheese, 90 calories per ounce, 8 ounces super light cheese, 70 calories per ounce. You can buy it all pre-shredded. I got one pre-shredded, I got one I gotta shred up. And if you ever wanna save on dishes, I just shred the cheese right into a bag. Then you don't have to shred into like a bowl or a plate and then dirty up a plate if you don't need to, especially if you're shredding a lot that you're not gonna use at the same time. Oh, if you're not cooking it right now, don't need the oven on, but we should probably turn this bad boy on, 350. Okay, then I'll just close this bag, shake it up so all the cheese gets mixed in together. Okay, this recipe calls for 2 13 by 9 inch pans. My other 13 by 9 inch pan is actually filled with American chop suey, which you could also check out in my full cookbook, link in the bio. But we're gonna use this cake pan and this one as well. Okay. Can we see that? Over 165 degrees. Chicken is fully cooked. 17 minutes in. So now I'm gonna pull all this chicken out and get it into this bowl. Tomato sauce goes in. And I'll scoop a little bit up and swirl it around just to get all of it out. Enchilada sauce packets are also gonna go in, both of them. While that sauce thickens, we are going to shred up our chicken. You could wait for it to cool and shred it with your hands. You could use a food processor, forks, tongs, whatever. I'm going to try this meat chopper for the first time ever. See how well that works. Okay, our sauce is thickened, so we're going to shut the heat off on that. We're gonna add 8 ounces of cheese to here, so we have 1 pound left over, and 2 cups of the sauce mix. Half a cup scoops, so we want 2 cups sauce mix. Okay, then we just mix that up again. I just took a 2-minute phone call. We were at 20, like 5 minutes, and I paused it, so press it, 27 minutes in. The mix is done, this is done. All right, we're gonna remove these real quick. We need to, that's not clean. Okay, we wanna spray our pans down. So what we do, take one tortilla. Oh, hold on, I almost forgot something else. Sorry, I'm in a rush to get to work because this is my free job, so I'm just forgetting a few steps. We want a little bit of sauce in the bottom. Keep the tortillas from sticking to the bottom. We get more of that flavor everywhere. Tortillas go in. We take a tortilla, dip it, lay it back down, half a cup scoop, push it out length of the tortilla, roll it up, line it in your other empty pan. Same thing. Dip, scoop, lay it out, roll it, set it down. Now, once this pan is getting full, I'm going to take these tortillas and lay them on top of the already pre-rolled ones. Any leftover sauce, you can just spread around the top. Okay, then we just take our remainder 1 pound of cheese, sprinkle it over the top. 35 minutes in, that's done. All we have to do is put it in the oven. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and the sauce is bubbling around the edges. I'll take this time to clean up the kitchen, so then we're left with 2 pans full of 13 servings, no mess. Yes, please, look at that. Enchiladas fully cooked, 47 minutes. Those are the only 2 pans left. We're ending with a clean kitchen. Dishes are done, 47 minutes, 13 meals. Look at that. I'm gonna walk. Go ahead and take a screenshot here for the recipe, or check out my full cookbook, breakfast, lunch, dinners, and desserts, link in the bio. Thanks for watching, till next time.